Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have a comparison video between the Nike Element React 55 on the left and the Nike Element React 87 on the right. So the 87s were released a few months ago in a couple different colorways. This was the original colorway that came out. And then the 55s just dropped in the US today, and this is an initial launch colorway. Alright, so first thing we want to compare with these two sneakers is the price. Alright, so with the Element React 55, the suggested retail, as you guys can see, is 130 USD. And then with the 87s, the suggested retail is actually 160 USD. So in terms of pricing, obviously the Element React 55s are the more affordable choice. But there's obviously reasons for that, so let's get right into the breakdown. Alright guys, so let's get into the comparison with the sneakers themselves. So the first main thing we notice is that the 87 has a completely translucent upper besides the heel area. So if you guys do 360, look at that. And the 55s have a solid upper. So I know some people might think that this is actually better, that it's not translucent, but the whole point of the sneaker was that they had like innovative translucent upper and it really made it pop with different socks and stuff. So I give the advantage there to the 87s. Another key difference is that the insoles of this on the 87 are actually cork inside, and it says Nike React with the swoosh. And then on the 55s, it's just a regular insole, as you guys can see. It says Nike, so nothing special there. Another difference with the 87s, this actually has a 3M upper, so these lace areas are all 3M. This is not. The suede on the 87s is also a lot nicer, so near the lace eyelets there's some premium suede on the 87s. See if the camera could pick that up. And then over here too, and on the other side, we have the suede coming all the way down throughout the sneaker. And then here we have like a leather-like material, again, very premium. And then let's get into the 55. So this one, it does feature some suede, but as you guys can see, it's not nearly as nice. And also feels kind of rough, so I don't really like how that feels. And the tongue on it also feels pretty rough. And then here we have like a different type of suede. This is kind of like a canvas material, I guess. So this feels pretty good though. Alright, so putting the sneakers side by side, the 55s at the bottom, and then we have the 87s on the top. So as you guys can see, they look really similar from the side. The only difference that you can actually tell is the translucent upper. Now again, they both have a Nike swoosh going all throughout the sneaker, as you guys can see on this one. And then here as well, we have the jade swoosh. Let's get into the heel tabs of the sneakers. Alright, so the heels, again, the same, except here again we have the premium suede on this one. We do have suede, but again, it's really rough and stingy. And then on the heel tab, this is 3M as well. And this one we just have a regular heel tab, nothing special. Then one main thing that a lot of people ask about is the comfort. Now they do feature the same React cushioning. So as you guys can see on the bottom of the 55, on the sides, same pattern, same cushioning. They both do feel the same to me. I don't believe there's a difference in them, so they're both kind of like squishy. When you press it, it goes in. And then this one as well, I have worn this, but as you guys could tell, same pattern going on. As you guys can see, I move it around. So yeah, same cushioning on both sides, on both sneakers. And then they both say Nike React. So the soles are completely the same. I think it's just different colorways. You better look at that. Another key difference between the sneakers comes on the toe box. So as you guys can see, this has a translucent upper with the Nike swoosh right here. And it's divided in the middle with this right here. Whereas the React 55 doesn't have any of that. It doesn't have a Nike swoosh, and it doesn't have like this big thing. It's just a straight line going down the middle. Another big difference there. Laces on the 87 are also pretty premium. Besides the 3M aspect, they do have like tips. As you guys can see, they have certain like features on the tips. And then here we have a Nike swoosh. And then on the 55, nothing. Also the tongues of the sneakers, let me get a breakdown to that. So the 87s, again, translucent tongue all throughout. So as you guys can see, starting from here, pretty much all translucent all the way into the top. And it says Nike React on this side. And then we have like that little logo there. And then, as I mentioned on the 55, it's a suede tongue. And the suede material isn't that nice, but it is like, it's good for the price. Like it is a budget shoe, I guess, for $130. And then on it also says Nike React along with the same logo. So definitely you guys could tell for the extra $30 that you're paying for the 87, you are getting a lot more. Like it's a very premium version of this sneaker. This is, I think, the more affordable one. And the 87s are actually really limited, so they go for a lot on the resale market, so around 400 depending on your size. These just came out and they don't really have any resale. So in terms of style, definitely I do take the 87s. I think it was a great use of the technology and very innovative of them to put the translucent upper on the sneaker. This, I think Nike is also doing a good job on. They're making the sneaker available to everyone, so that's a good thing. Again, if I had to take one of these, I would take the 87s, but I know it sounded like these aren't good sneakers, but compared to these, I do take these, but these are actually really comfortable and really good sneakers for everyday wear. And also, I like the colorways that they're doing on the 55s a lot. So this Aurora green colorway, this is actually really nice, pops out. And yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick on feet of these sneakers, and you guys can decide which one you like more. And thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, so here's a quick on feet of the shoes. The Aurora greens, the black one is a size 10, the white one is a size 10 and a half, but they both do fit pretty true to size. You guys a 360 look at them. So as you guys can see, on feet, definitely the React 87s look a lot better. And you guys can see with the translucent you guys can see through the sneaker, so you can change it up. You can wear white socks, black socks, no different every time. Comfort wise, because of the upper, the 87 does feel a little more soft. Now the sole, as I said, is the same, but the upper does make the 87 a little more comfortable. And yeah, style wise, on feet, the 87s do look more luxurious, but I do think a lot of people might lean towards the 55s being more of a normal looking sneaker. Alright, so here's how they look with socks on, with shorts obviously. Yeah, again, so I think the 87s do pop out a little bit more, but up to you guys to decide which one you like more. And thank you guys for watching this video. If this helped you guys make a decision, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.